Yes, welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another VPN. Into this guide we are gonna share with you a VPN application which will help you to secure your connection. This app will help you to add extra layer of security enhance on your online connectivity as you are using the internet. And this app is on Google Play Store. Head over to Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And on this channel share apps as apps that can help you to secure your connection when you are online. And when you reach in the app in the Google Play Store, you search for Dark Tunnel Pro. Dark Tunnel Pro VPN. Among the presented, you pick this one, the Dark Tunnel Pro. Take note of the app name, app icon, install the app on your device. And as we open this app, on this channel we share apps that help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security, and also enhance on your online connectivity as you are using the internet. So in today's guide, this app will also help you to gain a secure connection after setting it up. So these are the settings as follows. So when you reach in the app, the first setting is tap on this update option right here. And after tapping on the update option, this app will prompt you to click on online update. This is done to update the app resources so that it can work and provide you with the best service as it secures your connection when you are online. And the other setting is after updating the app resources, you are required to pick a server. So in today's guide, we are gonna pick a premium server. Make sure it is a UDP server as you can see. So you tap here, and among the presented, you pick any premium server and make sure it is a UDP server. So in today's guide, make sure to pick in any of the available locations. Make sure the location it is near you for better speed. So in today's guide, I'll pick the premium server from US. So I prefer US for fast and secure. And after picking a server, the other setting is you are required to pick UDP protocol. Pick UDP protocol fast speed. UDP protocol fast speed. This is because UDP is available for all countries and it is fast. So make sure to pick UDP protocol fast speed. And I recommend you to pick this option. It will work for you in case UDP is working for your country. And the other setting is after picking a UDP server which is fast, you are required to add on time where you see remaining time. You are required to tap on this add time button right here. And when you tap on this button right here, this app will start to add on the connection time. Please note that in case you run out of time, this app will stop working and it will not work until you add on the time within this app. So after that, after picking and adding time, you are required to insert a super fast connection and a secure connection by tapping on this start button right here to insert a secure connection via Dark Tunnel Pro VPN. And that's how we set up Dark Tunnel Pro VPN to get a secure connection and extra protection as you are using the internet. Please like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content.